Hi there, this is teacher Carla from EnglishTime5. Today, we will study the book of English Time 5 by Susan Rivers and Setsuko Toyoma. This is the continuation of our lesson last time, but now we are about to begin another unit, and that will be Unit 9. So, are you ready? Very good. Let's go now on Unit 9 and start that lesson. We are now at Unit 9, and this is about cities around the world. So, on the conversation time, let's read this. Captain West, we'd like to interview you for our school newspaper. Could we ask you a few questions? Sure, go ahead. How many female pilots work for your airplane? I think 1/3 of the pilots are female. Do you ever fly abroad? Yes, I have an overseas flight once a month. Do you fly the plane by yourself? No, I always have a co-pilot. Do you like being a pilot? Yes, very much. Thanks for your time, Captain West. My pleasure. Okay, so that is the conversation on this part. Okay, let's read it one more time. Captain West, we'd like to interview you for our school newspaper. Could we ask you a few questions? Sure, go ahead. How many female pilots work for your airplane or your airline? I think 1/3 of the pilots are female. Do you ever fly abroad? Yes, I have an overseas flight once a month. Do you fly the plane by yourself? No, I always have a co-pilot. Do you like being a pilot? Yes, very much. Thanks for your time, Captain West. My pleasure. Okay, so that is a conversation topic. Now let's move on to the next page for more practice. Now we are on your word time. So listen and repeat after me. Rome, Rome. Taipei, Taipei. Tokyo, Tokyo. London, London. Seoul, Seoul. New York City, New York City. Paris, Paris. Honolulu, Honolulu. San Francisco, San Francisco. Hong Kong, Hong Kong. So let's look at the picture here. As you can see, there are the numbers. So number 1 is where you can find Rome. 2 is Taipei. 3, Tokyo. 4, London. 5, Seoul. 6, New York City. 7, Paris. 8, Honolulu. 9, San Francisco. And 10, Hong Kong. Okay, so study the map where you can see these places. Now let's move on to the next page for more practices. Now let's go on to the focus time. As you can see, there are the months of the year and the things that may happen on those months. Let us check here. January, it's winter. Okay, February, okay, it's like spring. Okay, March. Okay, like windy weather. And then April is the raining season or rainy season. May is the springtime. June to July up to August, summer. September, school time. October, it's your Halloween. November will be fall, and December is the start of your winter. So this is the cycle of the season. Okay, now let's go down here. Listen and repeat after me. When did he go to Hong Kong? He went in April. Next, when did they go to Hong Kong? They went in April. Next one. How long was he there? He was there for 1 week. Next is, how long were they there? They were there for 1 week. Okay, so those are the things here. So just practice how to say that and also the cycle of the season. So that will be all for today. I hope that you learned something new about Unit 9. We will continue this on our next video for more practices and exercises. So thank you for your time and have a great day. See you on the next video. Bye!